Hey guys, what's going on? Today we're going to be opening up 5 packs of Pokemon Destined Rivals. Let's open them, see what we get. There's the code. There's the energy. Electabuzz, Cynthia's Rosalia, Team Rocket's Porygon, Heat Rotom, Cynthia's Spiritomb, Forretress, Steven's Claydol. Got a Nose Pass reverse, Team Rocket's Porygon reverse, and MC's Hype. Wow. Secret rare. Sweet. That is awesome. All right, guys. Let's go to the next one. Let's see what we get. Let's get these over so we can see everything. There's the code. Growlithe, Swellow, Electabuzz, Cynthia's Rosalia, Forretress, Floatzel, Team Rocket's Ariana. Then we got a Probopass reverse, Squawkabilly reverse, and a Team Rocket Spidops holo. All right, let's go to the next pack. There's the code. There's the energy. Team Rocket's Grimer, Team Rocket's Tarantula, Misty's Magikarp, Ethan's Pichu, Floatzel, Team Rocket's Ariana, Manectric. Then we got a Smoliv reverse, Steven's Carbink reverse, and a Hydropple holo. My daughter wants to say she loves y'all. Thanks, guys. All right.
I got this from soccer.
That's cool. All right, baby. Time to get in bed. There's the code. Here's the energy. Cynthia's Rosalia, Team Rocket's Nidoran, Team Rocket's Flaffy, Team Rocket's Drowsy, Team Rocket's Factory, Cornerstone Mask Ogerpon, Lurantis, got a Team Rocket's Coughing reverse, a Gorbis reverse, and a Team Rocket's Wobbuffet holo. All right, last pack. Let's see what we get. There's the code. Here's the energy. Wash Rotom, MC's Hype, Team Rocket's Porygon 2, Team Rocket's Pupitar, Team Rocket's Venture Bomb, Arven's Toedscruel, Team Rocket's Golbat, Cynthia's Spiritomb reverse, Team Rocket's Flaffy reverse, and a Team Rocket's Crobat double secret rare. That is awesome. Sweet. All right, guys. Please like, share, subscribe, tell your friends, and we'll see you on the next one. Thanks a lot. Bye-bye.